Did you know that certain fruits can provide a powerful defense against cancer cells? Indeed, science has shown that nature's bounty can be a formidable ally in maintaining our health. Today, we are going to explore 7 fruits that are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that may help prevent or combat cancer growth. Our first fruit is the pomegranate. Bursting with antioxidants, this fruit may help in the prevention of breast cancer. A refreshing pomegranate juice or a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds in your salad can be a great way to include this in your diet. Next up, we have berries. These tiny fruits contain compounds that might slow down the growth and spread of cancer cells. Enjoy them in a smoothie or as a simple fruit salad. Strawberries also make the list. Known for their antioxidant properties, they are believed to have cancer-preventing potentials. A delicious strawberry smoothie can be a perfect start to your day. Citrus fruits, with their high levels of vitamin C and flavonoids, can support the fight against various types of cancers. A glass of fresh orange or grapefruit juice can be a refreshing and healthful drink. We can't forget apples, a staple in many households. They contain phytochemicals that might have anti-cancer effects. Baked apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon make a delightful dessert. Coming in 6th, we have mangoes. They are rich in polyphenols, which may inhibit the development of cancer cells. A mango and yogurt dessert can be a sweet and healthy treat. Lastly, grapes contain resveratrol, a compound with antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your salads for a burst of flavor. Now that you've learned about these fruits and their potential health benefits, we encourage you to experiment in the kitchen. Maybe you're already making a berry and strawberry smoothie for breakfast, or a pomegranate and nut salad for lunch. Or perhaps you're about to try the mango and yogurt dessert for the first time. We'd love to hear about your favorite recipes using these fruits. Share your culinary creations and join the conversation. Remember, a healthy diet is a key element of health prevention. So why not explore more about the incredible benefits of fruits and other natural foods? If you're looking for more healthy cooking inspiration and tasty recipes, subscribe to our channel and join our community. Together, we can discover the amazing health benefits that nature has to offer. Don't forget to share this post and help us spread the word about the power of fruits in fighting cancer cells. Until next time, stay healthy and keep enjoying nature's bounty.